Welcome to the demonstration of Advanced Dashboard Troubleshooting in the vCenter Operations Manager. In this video, we will look further into configuring alerts, as well as dig deeper into the badges. vCenter Operations Manager uses patented analytic algorithms to learn the behaviors of an environment in order to dynamically calculate thresholds for objects and continuously adjust these thresholds over time. vCenter Operations Manager will use smart alerts to help you troubleshoot issues before the end users are impacted. Smart alerts are triggered when any minor badge changes color. We can also separately enable or disable alerts by clicking on the configuration link at the top of our dashboard. The badges will be solid in color if they are enabled. Although the environment will automatically configure the thresholds shown here, the sliders can also be manually adjusted. We can use this Edit Policy window to activate other badges we would like alerts for. From the main dashboard view, let's begin with our troubleshooting by starting with the Alerts tab. The top half of the Alerts tab shows the graphical representation of the number of alerts over the past 7 days, and the colors represent the criticality of the alerts. The bottom half shows us an alert list, which is context-specific to the object we have selected on the Inventory panel in the left. Upon selecting another object in the left, the alert will be updated. Clicking on the Environment tab will allow us to see the entire environment at once. If we select an object while in this tab, all of the related objects in the hierarchy will also be highlighted, helping us to locate problem areas more quickly. On this screen, the faded badge icons are not part of this object's hierarchy. Now let us look into some of the alerts we have here already. We can see here that our vCenter server itself has a health of 50 with an orange badge. If we click on this health badge, it will redirect us to the Operations tab. Here we can look closer and find out what is wrong with this environment. And if we click on the Faults button over here, we can see that it has one fault that brings the score down. So we have a vCenter database rollup job that is not running since the past week, and we need to fix this. If we navigate to the vCenter server's dashboard view again and drill down into the alerts, we can also notice that there is a red alert on the data store. So if we drill down into this data store, we can see that our disk space is at 99%. To fix that, click on the Planning tab here, and then the Views button. Here we can see a list of information based on the statuses. We have selected Powered Off Virtual Machines in this case, and we can see that we have 5 virtual machines powered off, along with a listing of the total virtual disk space configured for them. They've been powered off all the time and can be revisited for possible archiving or deletion. Additionally, we can have reports run on demand or scheduled to show this type of information. For instance, run this Powered Off Virtual Machines report. We have the same details we saw in the Planning tab. We can download the report in PDF or CSV formats. At the bottom of this report is the same table we just saw in our Planning tab. On the dashboard of this data store, we can also drill down into risks and look at our capacity remaining to find out how many more VMs we can still deploy onto this data store. It says we can deploy one more VM. So click on this Capacity Remaining button. It will redirect us to the Planning tab, and we can optimize in this data store accordingly. This concludes our demonstration on advanced troubleshooting in the vCenter Operations Manager. Thank you.